Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is technology. I have here a picture of the things that you might know and they are considered as technology. So people are using these things in the past and we are using it in the present. So to give us a background of what technology is, look at this picture. So what do you think are the kinds of scientists that work together to create this train system? And what does this do? On page 218 of your book, this was a great invention by the engineers. So engineers have designed a train that uses magnets instead of engines. These trains are called maglev trains. They are faster and quieter than trains that use engines. So maglev trains float about 1 to 10 centimeters above the guideway. So this is the guideway. The magnets on the bottoms of the trains and the magnets on the guideway help move the train along. Maglev trains can travel faster than 300 miles per hour. Okay, on this part of your book, we are going to use a ruler. Remember, we always start with 0. So let us draw a line that is 10 centimeters tall to show how high maglev trains can float. So here it goes. Okay, so assuming that this is 10 centimeters, so that is how high the maglev trains float within their guideways. So, what really is technology? So, people ride in the cars, people use computers. We can do these things because of technology. Technology is the use of science to solve problems. Sometimes, people use technology to invent things. Invent means to make something for the very first time. Technology has made many things easier for people. Cars and trains are technology. They help people travel long distances. However, technology does not solve every problem. Cars and trains can break and stop working. So this one is a new invention by the scientists, and scientists make cars that use electricity. These cars help reduce pollution, which is the air pollution. Okay, question here. Tell one way computers help people and tell one problem computers do not solve. One way that computers help people learn, so we can search from the computers, we can type, we can work on computers, but the computers do not think of new ideas. Still, us or the people are doing and thinking of these new ideas. We said that technology helps us solve problems. So engineers are people who design new things. They look for better ways to solve problems. They use science and technology to invent and discover new things. Some people have trouble in seeing. People use technology to solve this problem. People invented glasses. Glasses help people see better. Glasses are technology. So here, underline a problem that technology solves. So that is, some people have trouble seeing. Lightning lamp, so a new way. Think about a pencil. How do you think people wrote before pencils and pens were invented? Tell how you think people will write in the future. So aside from technology can solve problems, it can help people too. So technology can help people to stay healthy too. Doctors use technology to find out why people are sick. People invented X-rays. X-rays are tools doctors can use to see inside people. Doctors can help people to get well after they find out what is wrong. So this is an X-ray of a hand and it shows our bones inside. Draw one another kind of technology, tell what problem it solves, and tell what problem it does not solve. So I have here a picture of a television. So a television may be a source of information and gives us entertainment. So now let us read about the technology below. So pick one technology, tell what kind of problem it solves. But we say the technology changes over time. So in 1879, the light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. In 1885, a car that uses gasoline is invented. In 1903, the Wright brothers fly their plane in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. In 1946, the first microwave oven is built. In 1975, the digital camera is invented. And in 2008, text messaging became popular. So let's give it a try. Draw something you would like to invent. So I have here a picture of a mobile phone connected to another planet aside from Earth. So you can think of yours too. So technology might have positive and negative effects, but let's make use of our technology wiser and for the better. On our next slide, you are going to answer your booklet page 1. So let us try to answer booklet page 1 if you really understood the lesson. Words to know. Write the word next to the description it matches. The words are technology and invent. Number 1. Blank to make something for the first time is called invent. Number 2. Blank the use of science to solve problems. Definitely, it is called technology. Okay, let's answer the questions on the lines below. Is a spoon technology? How do you know? Yes, people use science to make this tool that helps people, and we all know that we use a spoon for eating. Number 4. You followed directions to make a paper airplane. Did you invent the paper airplane? Explain why or why not. You've been used to doing these paper airplanes inside the classroom, right? So, no. Paper airplanes have been made before. You were not the first person to make a paper plane. Okay, let's move to number 5. Give an example of a technology you use each day. Tell what problem this technology solves. So my answer here, I use a backpack. It solves the problem of how to carry my books or my things while I walk. So you can think of yours too. So that's the end of our lesson for today. That's the end of the lesson for today. So for your references, we have Pearson Interactive Science for grade 2. And then I have inserted some videos to watch from YouTube. That's all.